I recently opened up Visual Studio Code and found out I'd gotten updates. I am now on Visual Studio Code 1.110.0 February 2026 updates. That means this was coming out in March. We are now in March. They always come out a month behind, so that's not late. That's just how Visual Studio Code do things. So here's your latest update. And initially this threw me. I went into my model picker, as you normally do when you want to use GitHub Copilot, and I clicked up and I thought, oh, that looks a little bit different. Anyway, clicked on Open Model Picker and where's everything gone? Looked like the list had been shortened, but no, it has not. At the top, you still have your auto. That's always going to be there, apparently. Then followed by that, you have the ones that you use most commonly. So this list will change depending on how often you use them. The most featured ones will appear here. The ones you use the most will always appear there. Okay. Also, when you roll over the models, it gives you a nice little bit of information about them. So here you can see what their context window is, and they've got quite large context windows. Now you might wonder, where are the other models? They're just down here. So if you go to other models, you can see all of them, and you've got a nice long list, and you can go into manage them. If you go into manage, you can hide them if you don't want any of them to be in that list. So back into our search, let me click that again, open model. Now, if you don't see the one you're looking for, you can do a search for it. So let's do a search for Gemini, and there's my Gemini 3.1. Click. Right. I'll just check something again on that. So here's my Gemini 3.1, and that's got a context window of 173K. Interesting. I thought Gemini had the biggest context window before, but no. Claudio Opus 4.6 has a bigger context window, context size than its context window. That's how much information the AI model can load at one go. So what do you think of this nice little layout? I don't think it's too bad. It takes some getting used to, but once you get used to it, it's quite neat. Easier to find things, get a lot more information about them, and not too much clutter because they're now in a nice little drop down. It can throw you the first time though, I must say, but after that, you get used to it. Also, let's take a look at the modes. You've still got your agent, ask, and plan. Edit has gone completely. That was on the way out anyway. And down there, that is my custom agents. So any custom agents that you make will appear there. So nothing has changed there. And you can still go and configure your custom agents from here. Quite nice and neat. I'm not going to go total review. I just wanted to look at the model code picker because that has changed. It's made a big change. It's what we use quite a lot. It will probably throw you, but I think it's quite nice. What do you think? Please leave in the comments. Thank you, like and subscribe, and I'll do another video later.